Tigerwood, Goncalo Alves, comes in at 2,170 pound versus Janka, Class B fire rated, and with a strength-to-weight ratio that installs faster than denser tropical species without sacrificing outdoor performance. Here's the full spec breakdown. Nominal 5/4x6. Actual dimensions 1 inch thick, 5.5 inches wide. E4E profile, eased 4 edges. Machine planed, ready to rack straight off the truck. Available in 1 through 22-foot lengths, giving you the flexibility to minimize cut waste on any fence layout. Boards arrive straight, surfaced, and dimensionally consistent. No rejointing required before installation. Single finish option for this SKU, E4E. All 4 edges eased. Surfaces are plain smooth and compatible with hidden fastener systems or traditional face fastening. No pre-treatment required before installation. If you're specifying an oil finish, the natural grain absorbs evenly across the board face. This profile performs well across horizontal board-on-board, vertical shadow gap, and open rail fence configurations. Janka hardness, 2,170 pounds force. Class B fire rated. High natural oil content delivers Class 1 durability, resistant to rot, decay, and insect penetration without chemical treatment. Dimensionally stable across a wide temperature and humidity range, which matters in both coastal and high-altitude applications. Ships direct to job site or pickup at a freight terminal. Delivery options available across the country. Custom length configurations and volume orders are available. Contact our team for lead times on large quantity specs. Our staff brings some of the deepest expertise in